morning boy. Balita sa inyo. Sana okay lang kayo dyan. Ako okay naman pero sakto lang. Hindi dapat ako mag-shoot ngayon kasi wala ako sa mood Kaso kailangan kailangan mas manaigang disiplina sa motivation. Wala ako sa hulog mag-vlog ngayon. Tamad talaga ako. Papunta kami ngayon sa SM. Mag-grocery muna. Hindi kasi ako nakakapag-shoot pag weekdays. Weekends lang lagi pag day off. So yun. Let's go. Boom. Bahay na kami ulit, mga pre. Madilim ba? Hindi naman, no? Nag-take out na lang kami ng McDo para mabilis ang kain na lang. Medyo mahal yung grocery ngayon Kaya yung sa nagsasabi ng 500 pesos na Noche Buena, medyo kalokohan yun. Hindi ko alam sinong sa DTI ba yun? Yung babae doon. Medyo negative, hindi siya makatotohanan. So kaya ang dami nagre-react. Mahal ang bilihin ngayon. Kain mo tayo pre. Kain. So yun boy, katapos lang kumain. Baka umidlip muna siguro saglit, naantok ako Etong mga nangyayari, sobrang lang to, raw. Sobrang raw lang kung ano lang yung mangyari sa routine ko. So tingin ko mamaya magbubuhat kasi hindi pa ako nakakabuhat ngayong araw. Pero tulog muna. Mamaya ulit. Let's go. So yun, hindi ko na maalala yung last clip ko kanina pre. Siguro tapos kumain kami kanina ng lunch, chicken, tapos inantok ako. Tapos eto na, hapon na. Mga ilang oras din yung gap nun Papunta kami sa gym ngayon kasi hindi pwedeng lumipas yung araw na hindi kami nakakapagbuhat boy. Kasi kailangan yun routine, kasama na sa routine yun. So makikita nyo na lang ulit yung, hindi ko lang kung montage ba yung ginagawa ko doon or tamang tawag doon, montage, ano pa ba yung tawag na iba? Montage lang ata pero parang hindi naman montage yung ganun B-roll, montage, B-roll, something ganyan. So yun, kita-kits na lang mamaya. Pero huwag ka muna aalis pare, tapusin mo yung video.
You gotta take control. Life's too short. Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best. So put your hands up to the sky and live your best life, alright. Don't just let it go by, just try, oh my. Got only one life, got only this time. We gonna get it right. You gotta let go of those who don't belong in your tribe. So cut the bad out of your life. Yeah, do it one time, one time. You gotta work till you're winning. Yeah, take control of the system. When you invest, it's addicting. No time to rest, let's go get it. Not gonna stop till I'm finished. Not gonna drop to my limits. Deep in my chest, I'm inhaling. Believe in testing and failing. You gotta flip everything in your mind. Take the limiting thoughts and turn them into your why. Prove to yourself you're worth it. You deserve it. Push past all the hurt and find your purpose. You gotta take control. Life's too short. Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best. So don't let go. Take control. Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best. Give it all your best. You're never gonna stop, no way, no. Yelling out, hey yo, headed to the top on our way, yo. You gotta make change. Yeah, there's gonna be a little pain, but nothing's worse than staying the same. So light that flame, put the work in, go claim everything you want in this place. It's time to go fast, know that energy is all cash. You could get it all if you never give up, no slack. Headed to the top is a mystery, your own path. Never gonna stop, no, you got this, never go back. I know it gets hard, you gotta love it. You gotta recharge with what you want and think of your dreams. Get that energy to go and get everything. Let's go. You gotta take control. Life's too short. Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best. So don't let go. Take control. Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best. Give it all your best.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous,
but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous,
but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous,
but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental.
So yun boy, tapos na kami magbuhat. Pauwi na ulit sa bahay. Hindi ko pa alam kung may mangyayari pa pag uwi sa bahay. Pag may naisip pa ako, ano lang to, sobrang raw lang. Yung sinabi ko kanina sa clip, sobrang raw lang to. Kasi kung ano yung mangyayari, sinushoot ko, tapos yan, pinapanood nyo syempre. Yung mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan guys ha, subscribe na kayo pre. Walang mawawala, libre lang yan boy. So kita kids, kakain na lang. Yun, isushoot ko rin yun yung pagkain mamaya. Let's go. Ulam namin ngayong gabi ham. After magbuhat ham, okay lang yan, pre.
Hindi, magluluto pa ako ng ano.
Ham.
Chicken today. Chicken.
Chicken breast. Tapos ito yung ham kanina, itlog, tinapay. Banat muna tayo, pre, banat. Banat boy, banat. Alright boy. Tapos na ako kumain. Kanina pala sa SM, bumili ako ng CMOS battery. Actually, ito din yung nilalagay ata sa mga relos tsaka sa mga susi ng sasakyan. Ito. Yan. Kasi magpapalit ako ng CMOS battery sa motherboard. Pakita ko sa inyo. Let's go! So yun boy, napagana ko na yung Valorant. Kasi hindi ko siya mapagana kasi nga mukhang defective na yung CMOS battery ko. So yun, pinalta ko yung CMOS battery ng computer. Tapos yun, nakapag-edit na ako kasi may pinapabago si Valorant. Kailangan meron kang i-edit sa BIOS kaya kailangan mo siyang i-enable. Pero dapat gumagana yung CMOS battery mo. So yun, kita-kits sa susunod na upload at vlog. Salamat sa panonood. Sana okay ka lang dyan. Let's go!